Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this 3D optical illusion photo frame, which is a very great gift idea. It is very simple to make and looks really amazing and can be given as a gift to anyone for any occasion. So please stay tuned and watch the entire video. Thank you guys. So guys, I first took a photo 18 by 18 centimeters and divided it into 2 centimeter pieces. I've already marked them 1 to 9 so that there's no disruption in the order, and cut them as shown in the video. You need 2 such photos, and I did the same thing for the second also. Now take a 36 by 18 centimeter black chart paper and mark 2 centimeters. Try scoring all the lines using a scissors and a ruler, or you can also use your scoring board. After scoring all of them, fold them in a zigzag pattern as shown. So now comes the placing of the photos. The first photo, you'll have to start from the very first column and mark them in order of the numbers and stick all of them alternately as shown. Do the same with the other photo sheet also. Now take a cardboard size 20 by 25 centimeter and cover it in black chart paper. Take the photo frame you've made and put glue all over on the lines and stick them as shown. Once you're done applying the glue, let it dry completely. Now take a ribbon and attach it to the chart paper using sellotape. Hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.